when I had my first job in newspapers, and, there was one computer in the corner. I mean, it sounds so old, but it's one computer in the corner that had the web on it. So there was so much information that you could only get by going to a location and pulling a file, or calling someone and asking them, and if they didn't happen to be in their house next to their phone, you couldn't reach them, and they would just have to get back to it for days. So there's just so much more that we know and can know, and it's so much easier to track things down.
Helen mentioned that you were a best-selling author. That book that she's referring to is a book called Pelosi, not surprisingly, about Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi. Why did the topic of covering Nancy Pelosi appeal to you?
When I started working for Time Magazine in late 2017, one of my first assignments was to write a cover profile of Nancy Pelosi, who at the time was the minority leader, and had never been on the cover of Time Magazine, interestingly, despite becoming the first woman Speaker of the House back in 2007. She was quoted saying, they put the Decatur on the cover, they put McConnell on the cover, they put Gingrich on the cover. A major political dynamic in America in 2018 was this historic uprising of American women, who, I've been covering women in politics for a long time. I had never seen women rise up in this way. They certainly didn't come out like this when Hillary Clinton was on the ballot, the first female major party nominee, right? So my piece was sort of about this tension of, how negatively Nancy Pelosi is perceived versus what she sort of represents in this time when women are rising up in politics. Democrats won the midterms. There was this hilarious sort of 180-degree reversal in Nancy Pelosi's public image, and I felt like she's one of these people who everybody has an opinion about, but nobody really knows. And so I sort of built off of that profile that was published on the cover of Time Magazine in September 2018. Now it's
Did you appreciate being on the cover finally?
no, yes. Yes and no.
Too little, too late.
Right. I'm reliably informed that she loved the cover, but a big part of that piece and of my book is about her relationship with perceptions of her. I am not the only one. Many people have tried to get her to engage on this question of, gosh, can you believe they're putting you in all these negative ads? And she'll just say, if I weren't effective, I wouldn't be a target. Next
Right,
question.
yeah.
And frankly, it's obvious when you think about it, she never could have